DIY website builders versus professional websites. What's the real difference? Sure, you can DIY your site, but should you? Hey business owners, today it's easier than ever to build your own website with DIY platforms like Wix, Squarespace, or Shopify. But is that really the smartest move for your business? Today, I'm breaking down the real difference between DIY website builders and hiring a professional, so you can make the right choice. Let's jump in. DIY builders. What you get and what you don't. DIY website builders offer convenience, drag and drop, pre-made templates, fast setup. Sounds great, right? But here's the hidden cost. Generic design, limited customization, poor SEO out of the box. You're the designer, developer, and marketer all in one, whether you have time or not. It's a great option for hobbies or side hustles. But if you want your website to act as a lead-generating, trust-building sales machine, it often falls short. Professional websites, what you actually pay for. When you hire a pro team like Engage, you're not just getting a prettier site. You're getting a strategy-first design focused on conversions, custom SEO optimization that helps you rank, fast, mobile-optimized pages that keep visitors engaged, a team that takes the tech off your plate, no DIY headaches. Plus, pros build your site with scalability and security in mind. Your site grows as your business does. Cost versus value, the hidden truth. DIY might look cheaper up front, but the real cost is lost leads, wasted ad spend, and missed opportunities. Pros? Yes, they cost more up front, but they build a site that pays for itself through better traffic, trust, and conversions. Think of it as hiring a salesperson who works 24/7 without complaining. Would you DIY your plumbing or electrical? Probably not. Your website is no different. It's the backbone of your business. DIY builders can work for certain situations, but if your business depends on credibility, lead generation, and long-term growth, investing in a professional website is the smarter move. Need help deciding what's right for you? At Engage, we help small businesses get pro websites without the long waits or the stress. Engage your business. Our expertise.